1. 1976 Ford F100 4x4, $8,500, Alamogordo, New Mexico. This 1976 Ford F100 is a 4x4 pickup with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It features 3/4-ton axles and a newer rebuilt motor. The $8,500 price is firm for a classic Ford in good running condition with a clean title. 2. 1987 Chevy Silverado 10, $3,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1987 Chevy Silverado is a 4x4 pickup with a V8 engine and manual transmission. It's a ranch truck with a rebuilt engine and high mileage, 480,000 miles, odometer broken. The $3,000 price is fair for a restoration project with a clean title. 3. 1989 Ford Ranger XLT, $4,495, Coachella, California. This 1989 Ford Ranger is a 4x4 pickup with a 2.9-liter V6 engine and manual transmission. It's in fair condition with recent maintenance, including a new clutch, rebuilt transmission, and recent smog certification. The $4,495 price is reasonable for a reliable work or project truck. 4. Ford 1987 Toyota pickup, $5,000, Mojave Valley, Arizona. This 1987 Toyota pickup is a 2WD model with a refurbished 22R 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission. It's in good condition with new suspension and a carburetor. The $5,000 price reflects its reliability and clean title. 5. 1972 Ford F700 box truck, $3,500, Camarillo, California. This 1972 Ford F700 is a classic box truck with a manual transmission. It hasn't been started in 10 years and needs a tune-up, batteries, and gas. The $3,500 price is fair for a unique project or utility vehicle with a clean title. 6. 1988 Chevy 1500 Extended Cab, $2,000, Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1988 Chevy 1500 is a 2WD extended cab pickup with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's a work truck with new tires, a flushed radiator, and recent maintenance. The $2,000 price is a bargain for a reliable classic Chevy. 7. 1999 Ford F250 Super Duty, $750, Spokane, Washington. This 1999 Ford F250 is a 4x4 diesel pickup with a blown 6-point-lil engine. It must be towed, but comes with a clean title and a good tailgate. The $750 price is a steal for a parts truck or project vehicle. 8. 1983 Ford C700 cab-over dump truck, $6,500, Gilroy, California. This 1983 Ford C700 is a cab-over dump truck with a 370 cubic inch gas engine and automatic transmission. It's registered as Special Equipment SE and comes with a heavy-duty steel bed. The $6,500 price reflects its utility and clean title. Nine. 1985 Chevy K10 4x4, 8000 Wellington, Colorado. This 1985 Chevy K10 is a 4x4 short bed pickup with a custom Vortec 350 engine and automatic transmission. It's in good condition with some rust and strong performance. The $8,000 price is fair for a well-maintained classic Chevy. 10. 1970 Ford F250, $19,500, Cheney, Washington. This 1970 Ford F250 is a 4x4 pickup with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It's in excellent condition with recent maintenance and a clean title. The $19,500 price reflects its rarity and heavy-duty capabilities. Eleven 1989 Chevy GMT400 4x4, $5,000, Osborne, Idaho. This 1989 Chevy GMT400 is a 4x4 pickup with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It features new parts, including a fuel pump, steering box, and shocks. The $5,000 price is fair for a reliable classic Chevy with a clean title. Twelve 1969 Ford F250 Highboy, $6,950, Smithton, Illinois. This 1969 Ford F250 Highboy is a 4x4 pickup with a 360 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The motor is locked up from sitting, but the truck has a clean title and potential for restoration. The $6,950 price includes delivery from Washington State.